kedamtang ningkan baru hinira ningkan suri hinira ningkan kore hini 2022 ningkan Assam Sarkar atum Karbi Anglong arlo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council penang ketek tanga subject mukha nang chi pudun baret nang chi jokdun baret walam pen Guwahati High Court along Malaysia PIL akes iglo lapen lasokes pidet pen kedamtang ningkan isira event angbong penang am kacing kijing wai dulo High Court long laso High Court long ciwai dat apsiaban ke non alam kerai abang atumidik si nang leiglo tarik foksier ni asi laso alam rai ateng pen pulo ke non bang ke Karbi Anglong along kedua department 1995 aningkan ke cetok MOU along nang kidun a department Thongke laso Thongke ba department bangka Assam government atum non ke puthot nang chi yokdun delo nang chi pudun delo pusi non bangke Assam government ukil tomba High Court long lamchak chipilo lasi pini pen bangke Karbi Anglong ta lahaya department bangke Constitution Amendment 1995 aningkan 6 long duchok joine si laso department ahem fu abangke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council si chiplang datlo lasi laso a department mukha bangke non bangke non directorate mukha dak doi kokko agriculture agriculture department ta directorate kokko industry pun industry long ta directorate do kokko aso na taxi asitina department ta directorate do atko lapen head of department bo bangka mundak do atko lapen lamangso department ma bulu kedu asakuri bakuri pencenglok ke anton ta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council si sakuri bakuri mendekat contract settlement Lahiranta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council si ini kan ke klaim ponglong ko lasolam si nondak nongklan atema 95 MOU atut ke sign along tenai klang o emateng o pulon te principal secretary pencenglok departmental head atum phananta appointment kipi banke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council se appointment lipo lapen labangso directorate andar particular isia bisaralam agriculture pulurante agriculture directorate long lada kedoji atum an lapen aper an officer ko an maduji ko an employees do ima lahaya employee an mangta mane laso directorate kana pensi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council si labangso appointment mokha banke bilong po lapen state government tum banke non ke nang chiyo bundelo asona taksi la department Thongke pa bangta non bangke constitution on duchok joile si la so bangke ahem fu bangke council naglo councilor te at pensi non masuli ko non education pulong de director secondary education pusito nai polo seta don dake il tum maswa agreement peng pulong de additional director pusito ko additional director of secondary education puko so director power tengsi laso additional director banke ladaga banke power banke exercise ko athila so tengsi la banke empowered ko lalo lasi state government atum ban nange thakun la hello state government nungi pula hello at this stage land council appearing for the respondent state has submitted that as per the stand of the state government the Memorandum of Settlement 2011 arrived at between the state government, KAC, and other stakeholders is to be honored, and till then, the state government has not attempted to transgress over the rights of the KAC on the allotted subject, and in future also the state government is bound to honor the conditions laid down in the Memorandum of Settlement 2011 in its full letter and spirit. Lason sido. Lapen aku tu selang central government tuma part mangalo. Learned Council appearing on behalf of the Respondent Union of India has also issued this code that so far as the action required to be taken by the Union of India in terms of the Memorandum of Settlement 2011 are concerned, the process is going on and the central government shall take every possible step to abide by the term and conditions of the Memorandum of Settlement 2011. Labanke 2011 Memorandum of Settlement maki UPDS lapen DST itu ke sign agreement lo. Nasi hal so putakta Union government domata ke claim je fan sik bom lo ba claim bom lo usi alam tunang tak. Nasi la so teng lo pun da ili tunum dak kenangi bangke semet ke Union government toma apartment kali. Mune tak minor modification do lang 2011 ko ejagat din tokat lo. Kita ejagat din lo bangke 1995 kusi tok nangi MOU. Nasi laso modification do lang already high court long laso order correction mangi chinki et lo ukil dum galo. Nasi laso teng lo long de non bangke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bangke powerful peak kuni ponar ni tengki lo. Lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke isi alam pudang nang punong te isi koloma legislative assembly teng. Ulahaya subject nangai dundu. Nasi hal haya pansi itu inherent subject pulo. Sita 1995 aningkan ASDC, KSA, and Sahil Students Federation, Dimasa Students Union of Tumpen, kajetok MOU teng abang putaksi 1st April cetok lo, lasu pen 12 April ni, lasu ciklu thot masih tarik ini 12 April ni Assam Legislative Assembly lo isi consensus isi autonomous resolution denglo halas resolution maheno je MOU lo kecek toy tang additional subject hongkep apu thaga executive power banke ini ben banke state government atum banke exercise lo laso power banke Karbi Autonomous Council tumsi executive power exercise populo laso teng pensi puthot laso ningkan masih 1995 aningkan masih 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. Paragraph 3 along amendment dolo. Laso amendment pensi जैसे मेरे बंके 7 schedule union list, state list, lapen concurrent list pulo, lake thoma list longpen union government atumpen state atum constitution si kacirap mal pipina subject, mane road, bridges, lahai dumati, water, lahai ayah subject itu nasi union government atum state atum constitution magetak. Paso atensi union government list tenta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tenta state apan ke thak atensi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council tenta thak lapan ke state list tenta laso amendment long si paragraph 3 6 dulu paragraph 3 long lahaya subject state list lapan concurrent list mukha tenta dak pilu aplo lasi sole authority ke lage Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lo lasi for 1951 hudle lapan pana subject ke inherent subject portion athase additionally 30 hala aphangyong si cap subject do bolonte non api thong cap pun all together lage click cap po laso click cap subject banke inherent subject lo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lasi ladaksi director ta dopo ladaksi appointment ta dopo ladaksi kadu ko ya kam dakten laso hem fu banke lage state government ga ilo state government tum ke dakke nang chulu ko lasi nilia ko ipi bangge lahelo state government atum hinpen lahaya department mokha long nang chejok budwar kus nilia ko ipi direct recruitment commission dolo penana sakori bakori pion sokidar sakori kipi lahaya anta state government dum cherai dalo arus lang tum frame lo ana halam national livestock mission kolong da penana arus lang tum frame lo sitara ta veterinary department a directorate da Karbi Anglong si dona ni state government ban si claim bare to la si no bangi claim no lo la state government ni checha lo no bangi claim kilo si la high court long ban ke la checha gar lo la si la hello high court case ban e judik lo la pen lo mage puji non ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ban ke powerful lo lasu nili pubom 1969 aningkan Assam Reorganization Act udolo halaswa Act pen ke klan autonomous state Meghalaya Sorapam autonomous state pilo Meghalaya Sorapam autonomous state pi hudu bangke subject pi kusada legislative power mukha bangke fully pipe se agriculture belong the agriculture ke certain area ne Assam government dumsi rules bang frame sita certain area bangke Meghalaya autonomous council state dumsi lamang soa power bangke exercise legislative power bangke jolason sita non karbiango lo laso 95 anikan ke do laso constitution amendment na joine bangke lahaya subject ke bandet plus da karbiango autonomous council of nang app lapen ladak bangke state government tumke nang chudun ko kia thai tabe state government tum nang chudun ko kia thai tabe legislative power ta nang autonomous executive power nang autonomous laso nang autonomous joine si non bangke laso additionally 30 subject bangka lanon constitution of 50 manang lutang nang lutti lang dolang he mana lutle dolang da 50 manang lutang ana bangke lagi inherent subject lo karbiango inherent subject lo laso department ahim thuke karbiango autonomous council lo lasi nilining khelo Karbiango Autonomous Council ACM ke hai mata lahai lamte mata tablik ko kusili ning kelo lapen rabjin pen lahai directorate office mokha ada ka pedui afan alang tum kengkam deng kon ko kusili ning kelo lapen laswa puthak long ka chingbai chingsai long upima kenang sop ke dolang nani ko bene jong sin tum confusion dolang klong te ile tum laswa mong ta ka chingbai chingsai pen ile tum la cepat clear melo sita Assam government da ini Islam unang klo da ari chirung koklo Assam government to mari chirung koklo ne nang tumalong itu nang chi pudung ji ku ka bo ie bang chok chedat lo lasi pini berke itu nang chi pudung delo lapen muke bangi apor akut ans dame itu labang so ahing nok la executive power per legislative power karbiango autonomous council pan ko anman pi tanga bangke labang itu nang chi pudung delo nang chi yok delo kusi state government hinta Injidar. Dan atau legislative power ke ejak lanam certain laso 30 additional department lang alang tuke legislative power ada. Sita Assam Direct Recruitment Commission ke lagi isi legislation. Isi aku allo selang tuke selang. Lasi laso allo ke selang ke alang tu muja pengawe. Lasi laso allo ke selang long bangke alang tu excluding Karbiango Autonomous Council di Mahasa Autonomous Council pula sontok na ibu, tok dapat. Lasi laso application bang dah bang dulu. Lasi lah itu enforcement. Lasi laso enforcement itu bang lah cokce pulo lasi recall pun. Recall na itu sih pulo laso kupipi mah cabinet decision itu constitution kupipi malah untuk KFM law kupipi malah untuk keselam. Laso ormu bangke nono bangke langsung recall. Review po recall. Langsung sih cecak.